Hello to everybody out there. It's been so long since I uploaded my last video. My name is Alexander and I'm back making videos about accordion and how to learn to play accordion. Before I dive into the topic of this video, I would like to say thank you to all of my students that I'm working with right now or worked sometime in the past. Thank you for showing love for this instrument and being persistent in constant practice to achieve your goals and become better in playing accordion. Also, one big announcement. I'm publishing my first online course for accordion that will start on January 15, and more information about the course and prices will come in the next videos. This video is an answer to a comment posted on my YouTube channel. Thank you, Quito, for requesting it. I hope this video will help you and also help everybody else searching for an answer to this question. How to achieve Leggiero technique? First, we have to know what Leggiero is. In one of my previous videos, I explained how to play legato, staccato and tenuto. You can check that video first if you don't know what the articulation is. For the rest of you, quick reminder. It's the way you play a single note, and depending how you press it, it may come out in a different way. Leggiero basically means playing light. That is a translation of the word from Italian language. First thing you need to know if you want to play faster is that your hand must be relaxed. Only the fingers must do the work, and the rest of the hand, as well as the rest of the arm, must be relaxed. If you unnecessarily use some other part of the hand, you will just waste precious energy and you will either play slower or your hand will get tired over time. Here is an example of Leggiero technique. As you probably noticed, it's kind of similar to staccato, but it's faster. And the difference is, for staccato, we use the entire hand. But for Leggiero, no. How to practice Leggiero? If you haven't started working out on your technique, first check out my other video and start there first. To be able to play Leggiero, you need strength in your fingers. Here is one way to build strength. Practice with strong fingers. Slow down what you practice and then hit the keyboard as strong as possible with your fingers. Over time, practice like that faster and faster. After a certain number of repeats, your hand will be tired and maybe even in pain. When that happens, take a break. Put your hand down and keep it like that for a while. When you start again, try with same speed or a little bit faster. Use metronome to gradually practice faster and faster. This is not an easy way to practice. You will have to take breaks often, and while your right hand is resting, you can practice the left hand and save some time. When you're done with this type of practice, try the same part with a fully relaxed hand and check it if there is a difference. If you don't achieve your goal, try again tomorrow and be patient. Thank you all for watching this video. If you think it's useful, give the thumbs up, share and comment. Also, don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.